Okay, so hi dear Virgo, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 days 7 oracle messages for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 20th till the 26th of April 2026. Please don't try to fit yourself forcibly into the readings, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Even if it is resonating 100% with you, it doesn't mean it's your personal reading. Okay, whatever decisions or choices you guys are going to make based on these readings, it's not my or my channel's responsibility. It's a clear cut thing. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass too, links are given below. So let's start. My goodness. Let's see the overall energy for Virgo people for this week. Let's see what we have. So we have divine guidance, the search for meaning in life. You guys will start walking on the path of finding your life purpose. Consider an alternative approach. Consider doing something different from what you usually do in a particular direction. Surround yourself with wise teachers or friends. Surround yourself with people who are wise, who are supportive, who know their shit, and friends who know their shit, so that you guys are going to be in a company of wise people. Wise people, experienced people who know how to handle life, how to handle life issues. Okay, let's start with the per day messages for this week. Virgo. 20th, we have the Nine of Ariel. Your dreams are fulfilled. Hard work leads to great success. A love for the beautiful things in life. You guys are going to have some kind of wish fulfillment. Your hard work is definitely going to lead to some kind of success and victory in the coming future. Love for the beautiful things in life is also there for you guys. Oh my god, I got scared. I thought it's a lizard on my bed. Oh my god, I should have died right now. I would have. Okay, for 21st, we have Three of Ariel. Do what you love, a time of great personal growth in your career or artistic endeavors, working with others in a cooperative manner. So, you guys just follow your heart, and it's time for you guys to have great personal growth in your career or artistic things. Working with others in a cooperative manner is also going to help you guys in getting some kind of real success in the real world. It's not real, it's fake, but anyways, just for the sake of understanding. 20th, 21st, 22nd, we have the act of Ace of Profile, a positive new emotional experience, fulfilling romantic relationships, deep and lasting spiritual insights. You guys are going to have a really beautiful time with people, with friends. You guys are going to have a really good emotional experience also this week. Fulfilling romantic connections. If you guys are already in a relationship, your connection with your partner is going to be really very very beautiful. If not, you might end up connecting with somebody with whom you're going to feel a really good kind of vibe or energy with. And deep and lasting spiritual insights. If you guys are consciously working on your spirituality or in your spiritual things, there are very good chances you guys are going to get deep lasting spiritual insights. So we have 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, we have Seven of Michael. There's a better course of action available to you. Okay, you can approach a situation in a different way instead of being very, very stubborn that this is something that I should follow blindly. Okay, so you can approach a situation in a different way also. Working alone may not be the best answer. You can connect with somebody, you can collaborate, you can partner up, and that's going to help you a lot. Okay, review all the details before signing any kind of contracts, before making any kind of you know collaborations or partnerships. Review the documents and the terms and conditions properly. Okay, you can hire somebody if it's a legal work, so that they can understand each and everything before you guys are going to proceed further. That might create troubles for you in the coming future if not taken care of properly. So 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, we have the Emperor, stability and efficiency. This day will mark some kind of life changing event or something that is going to create a lot of stability in your life. Your efficiency is also going to improve, your productivity is also going to improve. Taking charge of a situation, you guys have to take the charge of a situation in your own hands. And this time, the time has come for you guys to work on your ambitious plans, to take the actions in this direction. Otherwise, just planning and just doing nothing is not going to give you anything good in return. It's like action, it's like planning and inspired actions. Okay, giving your best. 20th, 21st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. 25th, we have the King of Ariel. Your plans are working out very well. Professional and financial success, using resources wisely. Your plans are going to work out really well for you, Virgo. Keep on working out, keep on doing your thing. You are going in the right direction. Professional and financial success is also on the way for you guys. Use your resources wisely. Don't take anything or anyone for granted. Okay. Okay. So 20th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. 26th, let's see. We have perspective. There's a better way. Pause for reflection and insight. Dare to be different. There's a better way to handle a situation. Pause for reflection and insight. Okay. So if you're planning to do something in a particular direction, just take a step back and try to understand all the pros and cons of your action. Try to understand what you should do and what you should not be doing in a particular situation, so that you can come out with better results and better understanding, right? Dare to be different. If you are continuously living in this fear that what other people are going to think about you, if you are going to choose to go in a totally different direction from what regular people will like do, dare to be different if you want good and better, sorry, dare to be different if you want a happy life. If something is making you feel like you should go and do that, just do that. Of course, it should not hurt anybody, it should not harm anybody, it should not lead to some kind of illegal or criminal activities, right? Of course, that's a common sense. But if you really have this trust on yourself and believe that there is something totally different from normal people and you should go ahead and do that, just dare to be different and do that, right? Let's see the final message for you guys for this week. We have the 10 of Ariel. There is so very much to be grateful for. Instead of focusing on the negatives, Virgo, focus on the positives in your life. There is so much to be grateful for in your life. Financial success and the promise of retirement. You guys are going to have really great financial success if you guys are going to stay focused and keep on doing your work. A rich and rewarding family life is also coming forward. Again, if you guys are going to remain focused and work on this thing. On your relationships, on your career, life is good. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.